And just like that, we're back, baby. Today, we're in Livermore, California, and we're pulling up to the Creative Rides annual swap meet at the Madden Compound. And if you missed my video last year, it's an epic event. They have the swap meet, they have some bash ramps, they have a free raffle, sometimes they have a crawler course out here, so it's gonna be a great time. I'm excited to see who showed up this year, and I'm sure there's gonna be all sorts of great deals, and you're not gonna wanna miss that. So stay tuned. I'm late. There's Mike looking at his watch. All right, let's figure out where we're gonna park here, guys. There's some of the bashers getting ready to go out and find the ramps. Looks like they should have done some weed whacking before they brought all these cars in here. All right, well, we're gonna back in. All right, guys, so it's windy out here today. Not quite as many people as I expected, but it's time we pull you out of the truck and we take you on a spin through the swap meet. We got the first table right up here. Still a good turnout, and let's go check out all the deals. You're not gonna wanna miss it. Collection of tires. Some tracks of slashes.
Hey guys, McKenna's calling us all over here.
Some cool 24 scale stuff and some neat little aluminum fabricated stands.
A Revo and a Summit.
Oh, nice.
But my Revo's having ESC issues, and it's like,
Yeah, this guy.
guys.
Hey, can we get everybody over here?
Thank you.
Hey guys, we're gonna go over some rules real quick. Come on over. Whoop.
Hey guys.
Guys, bring it in.
Yo, yo, yo.
They're delaying everybody, right?
There's always the slow ones. Those are hearing aids.
I'm the slowest one. I'm here first.
I don't know if it's the hearing aids. It might be they don't have courtesy. But I won't go there. All right.
I was notified.
All right, this is good enough. Thank you everybody for being here. I appreciate it. We do have a few rules. One is driving cannot be over here. If you have any RC cars, please do not drive them here. The dust will, you can hit rocks and windows, things like that. They've asked us nicely to just have the driving pushed over there. So that would be nice. I don't know if anybody brought ramps.
I got one.
Oh, okay, cool, there's ramps. So later on we'll do a long jump competition. Winner will take $500. And then over here I am selling my personal LED lights. I do make them myself. LED lights just for today are $25. Online they're $35. I wish you luck with shipping. And then also I'm selling raffle tickets for $20. One raffle ticket will get you entered for all three trucks. Winner takes all three. Winner will be decided in exactly 1 week from today because it's online and in person. Do you have anything you want to say? Thank you for helping me host this.
Thank you guys for coming. That's it, man. I appreciate it. And then, yeah, we should do this more often, and that's about it.
Oh yeah, we have two more coming, right?
We have
two
food
more.
trucks?
Yeah.
Food trucks?
No, we're having, so couldn't get the food truck, but we are having Costco pizza delivered. We're giving out 20 of them. So there should be plenty of food, I promise.
So you guys are not starving, don't worry.
Yeah. And yes, all the food items are free, trust me. Alright, that's it.
And again, thank you guys for coming. Appreciate it. We're gonna do this more often for you guys. That's it.
All right, let's get back to it here. See where we left off. Now we know the rules. Sheesh. Look at those cells. He's doing it. He's buying something. We caught him in action.
Oh,
We caught him in action, red-handed.
tell nobody. Said I wasn't gonna buy anything.
I know. Didn't last long.
Yeah, I'll even get a pizza. Pepperoni. Cheese. Extra cheese for me.
You want some of that body separately, let me know.
Yeah, I'll tell her.
Getting out of racing.
Yep.
Euro truck. Vintage Trans Am. Is that what that is?
Mustang.
I know, but it's a class vintage Trans Am?
Yeah. No, it's a TTO2.
Oh, TTO 2, okay.
This one came right here. Right here.
Oh shit, and that's metal.
Yeah. I moved it out of the way for you. It's okay.
Your hard work.
Everything's fixable. I'm just giving you a hard time. Charger? Wonderful. Glad I can be of help for that.
Can you plug in your charger?
Do you have a hammer?
Yeah.
Hey, Richie, come here real quick.
Electric 5T.
Hey, what's
Scale audio guy. Yes, no, maybe so. Yes, no, maybe so. Maybe.
We could do some shit with this.
What do you work for?
Free tires, Daniel. Yeah, I saw. That's why I was looking at these trenchers.
Free tires.
This one's got
Get in there.
Well,
Get some free tires,
That
brother.
charger?
Baja, HPI. You could be the owner of that for $500, I heard earlier.
Did you get something in your eye?
He didn't charge it, or he didn't give it to me to charge his battery. Ask all these dudes. These fucking crawler dudes, some of them use their little batteries. Alright, let's start fucking in them up. We got the JST charger. Yeah, I don't know if this one's a charger. You got a JST charger? Charger for JST.
New in box. And we got the RC enthusiast here with all his good stuff.
What's going on, sir? Showing off today.
Showing off today. Some might be for sale, some might not be for sale. I don't know.
Depending on when you ask me.
Yeah. Actually, everything's probably for sale for the right price.
Exactly, yeah.
Alright, so that's the swap meet. Like she said, pizza's coming in later. And it sounds like there'll be a log jump competition, so we'll definitely pick you guys up for that one. But we've seen what they have to offer as far as parts and pieces at the swap meet. All right guys, so long jump competition is going on now. So we're gonna head over here and we're gonna watch these guys send these bashers. There's all sorts of stuff. We got X-Maxes, we have a whole lineup of different armor Creightons and whatnot, and we got a big bash ramp. So you're not gonna wanna miss this. It's stuck in the weeds.
I get one more turn. I get one more turn. I get one more turn. Okay, get the first.
Talk about it next time.
Anybody else?
Yeah. Hey, yo, careful. Big back to the through. Incoming! Oh, no.
It's so close.
Uh-oh, got some competition. Oh, what the hell?
Blown tire.
Who got that video? I need that. Hey, who's in first? Probably Chewy. Fucking with the X-Maxes, bro. Wait, you only went once, right? No,
I went through time.
I went more than like 3-4 times.
My first time was with the
Did you guys even record mine?
Yeah, oh dude, I did. And you dodging cars. That was pretty funny.
So wait, the first time I hit the knife, way past the knife.
No, the knife is where you
No, it's
land,
yours.
like
Yeah.
where the last person lands.
So you fucked up because you moved it because you don't know exactly where your knife was at. Messed up.
That's on you, man.
Messed up.
But you landed farther the second time.
Because that other one looked close to it.
All right, well, if that's
We'd have to see
it,
the dude's footage.
congratulations, you won.
Woo!
You just get a hug. That's
All right, who broke their cars?
Me.
Okay, one.
I got parts.
But I'm still trying to break more.
All right, I mean, keep going, guys.
Keep on going.
You
Coming
guys
in.
want to keep jumping, go ahead. Do whatever.
Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed the content. Please remember to like and subscribe. Smash that notification bell so you don't miss out, and we'll see you all next time.